Isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol is a necessity in every medicine cabinet. You can use it to clean medical tools, clean surfaces, remove toxins from your skin and pores, combat illnesses. Here are the top 6 applications for rubbing alcohol. 1. Treats minor cuts and abrasions. Because it kills germs, you can use rubbing alcohol to treat small cuts and scrapes. To avoid illness, it can clean the affected area and kill any microorganisms. Capillaries are responsible for blood loss in your body. By tightening your capillaries, rubbing alcohol can aid in slowing bleeding from cuts. When you get a small cut or scratch, try these things. Utilizing a cotton ball, apply some rubbing alcohol to the affected region. Leave on for a few minutes. Rubbing alcohol will dry up your skin. Apply some moisturizing lotion or even aloe vera gel to the area afterwards. Repeat this a few times per day for a few days. 2. Prevents swimmer's ear. When water becomes trapped deep within the ear canal, a swimmer's ear may develop. It can be annoying because water that stays in the ear can cause infections. This is a common problem for swimmers. Rubbing alcohol can prevent an infection from occurring. It also helps the water in your ear evaporate faster. This will result in drying your ear and preventing infections. How to avoid swimmer's ear. Combine equal parts of white vinegar and rubbing alcohol. Fill a dropper with the solution. Lie down with the infected ear upward facing. Give the ear 2 to 4 drops. Then give it 10 minutes to sit. To allow drainage of any excess fluid, tilt your ear towards the ground. Repeat as needed. 3. Treats toenail fungus. Treat toenail fungus with rubbing alcohol. It can fight off infections and bacteria. Fungi prefer warm, damp places to thrive and spread. Rubbing alcohol can help keep your skin dry. This helps to prevent fungus from developing. Rubbing alcohol will get rid of any infection that is already there and ease any pain or suffering. It makes it less likely that more fungus will grow. Consider the following. Combine white vinegar and rubbing alcohol in equal parts. Soak a thick cotton ball or pad in the solution. Place it over the infected toenail. To hold the cotton pad in place, wrap it in a thin bandage or piece of tape. Give it between 30 and 45 minutes to sit. Finish by using a soft bristled toothbrush to scrape the toenail. Rinse the area after. For a few days, use this cure once every day. 4. Prevents pimples and acne. Rubbing alcohol can help treat and prevent acne and pimples. It kills bacteria, relaxes your skin, gets rid of dirt, and opens up your pores. As soon as you see the first indications of a breakout developing, make sure to start using this technique. Put rubbing alcohol, 70% strength, on a cotton swab. Dab it onto the afflicted region. Keep it on for 10 minutes. Use warm water to rinse the affected area. Aloe vera gel or a mild moisturizer are excellent options for aftercare. Repeat this procedure twice every day, for a few days. Do not keep rubbing alcohol on the skin for an extended period because it can dry the skin. 5. Eases muscle pain. To get rid of these symptoms, use rubbing alcohol on your sore, achy muscles and joints. Its anti-inflammatory qualities can aid in reducing swelling. Rubbing alcohol will relieve stress in your muscles. It will enhance circulation and blood flow. When your muscles and joints are sore, consider the following. Treat your sore muscles with rubbing alcohol. Rub the area in circular strokes for 10 minutes. Wrap the affected region in a warm cloth for at least 30 minutes. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day. 6. Soothes mosquito bites. Bites from mosquitoes and bugs can hurt. Rubbing alcohol can help by reducing pain, swelling, and discomfort. Additionally, it may help in the bite's speedy recovery. Rubbing alcohol's ability to kill germs lowers your risk of contracting an infection. Have any of these uses for rubbing alcohol ever occurred to you? Leave a comment with your favorite uses for rubbing alcohol. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.